No.
I am sorry, I don't speak English very good, but I am speaking English 50-50.
Mom. Mom. Good job. Mom. 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 You stole Tiny. Tiny, you can't have that. That's not for you. You're gonna choke. You're gonna choke on it. You can't have Kraft Singles garbage.
If a stranger came up to you and said, "I'm your mom's friend and she sent me to pick you up," what would you say?
You're a liar because my mom doesn't have any friends.
No. Hey, fat boy. What the fuck are you doing? That's my ramen packet!
Are you sure this water's sanitary? It looks questionable to me.
Good morning. Good morning. How are your babies? Let's go see them. Come on. Let's go see them. You guys say hello?